Alright, welcome back people. So the Commonwealth Games are about to kick off. One of the feature races will probably be the women's 200 meters. And featuring in that race will be world champion Shericka Jackson, young Christine Mboma, and Elaine Thompson-Herah are confirmed, as well as Natalia White from Jamaica and other talented sprinters from around the Commonwealth. According to World Track, the website, following is the entry list for the women's 200 meters at the Commonwealth Games 2020 in Birmingham, which will feature world champion Shericka Jackson along with a number of talented young sprinters. Alright, Jackson won the gold medal at the World Athletic Championships in 2022 in Eugene. Fellow Jamaican Elaine Thompson-Herah, the Olympic sprint double champion from Rio 2016 and Tokyo in 2021, and Natalia White also named among the confirmed entrants. So guys, we have quite a clash here in Birmingham. Christine Mboma, who one would have thought would have been one of the main contenders for the 200 meters before injury. If you remember, she injured herself in that race against Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce in Kenya. In my opinion, I think it might be a little bit too early of a challenge for Mboma. I don't see anybody challenging Shericka right now. Her form, she's now the second fastest woman in history in the 200 meters, so I don't expect anyone to challenge her. Elaine didn't have the best world championship, might be running with a chip on her shoulder, so will be determined to do better. So hopefully we will see better from Elaine, especially after missing out on a medal in the 200 meters, which a lot of people consider her stronger event usually. All right guys, let me know what you think. Let me get some predictions. Are you looking forward to this one? We know the Commonwealth Games are not necessarily the most high profile set of games, but this itself in this race looks like it will be quite exciting. All right guys, remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.